Hello, welcome to Royal Tutors. Today we'll be learning about simultaneous equation and majorly we'll be focusing on the use of elimination method in doing simultaneous equation. One of the things you want to actually take note of in simultaneous equation is that you are looking for the x and the y, and when you find your x and y and you substitute into the equation, you also get those answers as well. So quickly, let's go into the work. We have 3x minus 3y equals to 9 and 2x plus y equals to 12. So the first thing I always advise my learner to do is that you should equate this to equation 1, while the second one is equation 2. So the next thing you want to do, you want to establish the possibility in which the coefficient of your x or y in equation 1 is the same with the coefficient of your x or y in equation 2, so that when you simplify it, you will be able to divide through, while you'll be able to also get the value of one of the variable, which is the y or the x. So what do we need to do in this case? What you need to do is to multiply your equation 1 with the coefficient of x in equation 2. And the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 2. So that means you multiply everything in equation 1 by 2. And then what do you do to equation 2? You multiply everything in equation 2 with the coefficient of x from equation 1. So that means you multiply everything in equation 2 by 3. So if we do that, our new equation is going to be 6x minus 6y equals to 18, and we are going to have 6x, okay, plus 3y equals to 36. So what are we going to do at this point? This is where we eliminate. And what do you mean by elimination here now? We are going to subtract the equation 1 from equation 2 after we've already simplified it. So what are we going to get in that case? Okay, the first thing you need to understand is that 6x and 6x will cancel out. Then the next thing is negative 6y minus positive 3y. We know that minus times positive here will give you negative. So that will be negative 6y, negative 3y, and that will give you negative 9y, which is equal to, then the next thing you want to do is 18 minus 36. 18 minus 36. Positive 18, negative 36 will give you negative 18. Good. So at this point now, we are about to find the value of our y. We are about to find the value of our y, which is quite very simple at this point. So what you need to do at this point is to divide both sides by negative 9. Divide both sides by negative 9 and you have your y. So we have minus 9y minus 9 minus 18 minus 9. I know that positive will cancel positive, positive will cancel positive, and be able to find our y to be what? Y is going to be 2, because 18 divided by 9 is 2. So at this point now, we've gotten our y. So to get our s, all we need to do is to substitute the value of y into